This is the AI News Flash for May 16th, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, Cisco Systems reported Q3 FY2026 earnings, and the stock surged 15%. Revenue rose 12% year over year to $15.84 billion, well above the $15.56 billion expected. AI infrastructure orders from hyperscalers reached $1.9 billion for the quarter and $5.3 billion year to date, prompting Cisco to raise full-year AI guidance to roughly $9 billion. At the same time, the company is cutting under 4,000 jobs, less than 5% of headcount, to reallocate investment toward AI, security, and cloud networking. This decisively confirms Cisco's transformation from a legacy networking firm into a major AI infrastructure player alongside NVIDIA and Broadcom. Next, AI startup Recursive Superintelligence emerged from stealth with over $650 million raised at a $4.65 billion valuation. The London-based firm has fewer than 30 employees, with funding led by Google's GV and U.S. firm Graycroft, plus chipmakers NVIDIA and AMD. Co-founders include Richard Socher, former chief scientist at Salesforce, and Tim Rockteschel, a former DeepMind researcher and UCL professor. The mission is self-improving AI, systems that analyze and enhance their own performance through open-ended algorithms without human intervention. It signals a new phase in frontier AI investment towards superintelligence, even as venture capital remains heavily concentrated in a handful of AI labs. The third, large Chinese data centers are participating in electricity spot market trading as virtual power plants, a first in the country. China Unicom's Shaoguan Data Center and China Mobile's Guangzhou and Zhanjiang data centers are joining spot trading via Guangdong Power Grid's Yuanengtou virtual power plant platform. They shift from passive bulk electricity consumers to flexible resources, optimizing energy costs against real-time price signals. The move offers an innovative approach to AI data center power management in stark contrast to grid bottlenecks weighing on U.S. expansion. With hyperscalers planning $725 billion in 2026 capex, U.S. and Chinese strategies for solving the AI power bottleneck are clearly diverging. Finally, OpenAI's GPT-5.4 Pro has produced a proof of Erdős Problem 1196, a 60-year-old open question in number theory, with the proof formally verified in Lean. On April 13th, Liam Price, a 23-year-old without advanced mathematics training, submitted the conjecture as a single prompt to GPT-5.4 Pro. The 1968 conjecture by Erdős, Sarkozy, and Simarady concerns the asymptotic behavior of sums over primitive sets. The AI appears to have used a genuinely new method, showing frontier models can generate research-level proof ideas that survive expert checking. Since January 2026, 15 Erdős problems have moved from open to solved, with AI models explicitly credited in 11 of them. Fields medalist Terence Tao and other mathematicians are reviewing the work, marking a historic turning point for AI's role in mathematical research. That's all for this AI News Flash.